Well, Destiny is a very interesting person. I've loved having her friends.
I have no clue what she was talking about. We're supposed to just do a video. Not talking about
We're interviewing each other. We're interviewing each other. Destiny, what's your favorite color?
green. Betty, what's your favorite color?
My favorite color? Gray.
Betty, what's your favorite food?
This is very exciting. This is favorite food.
My favorite food? My favorite food? I don't know, but it's Chinese food.
Oh, Chinese food is the bomb. Asian food is so much fun.
Asian John Wonton. Yes, we're subscribing video. No.
We love each other. No. Oh. Destiny, do you love me as a buddy?
Yeah.
As a best friend, sister.
We're best friends. We've been best friends since 4th grade.
Fourth grade.
We should start a web
here.
A web show.
Let's do it, but Brad. And we do it right here all the time. Take the camera with Brad. I today found a lighter. Oh shit. Don't hit me. She's and pushing your friend. It's all about. Oh. So just talk about your lip feeling.
Shut up.
You can tell because you talk with it. You're like,
yeah, I stutter with my lip ring in.
I have my nose pierced.
Oh, my nose ring. Is right there. Gauges.
I'm getting gauges.
She's afraid too. I pierced her ears.
Yeah.
Hey, you forgot to wear earrings. They're closed. Woo! We'll get earrings later.
Has the video off yet?
No, the light's still on.
Oh, like off.
The light's still off and it's off. So if we don't say bye, then we're sorry.
Sorry, we got this. We'll probably be like, hey, yeah, fixed it. So you're like, Destiny's gonna jump over me now. Ready? My turn. Lay down. Hold down. Oh, gee, that hurt. Like, hang on.